Some of the fun of living by the Rock River is getting into the boat and looking for interesting wildlife. The river never lets you down. The other day, for example, we spied a shorebird with two black bands around her neck, a killdeer. The mother killdeer will do everything it can to protect her eggs and babies. Here, Mom holds her ground as the camera approaches and puffs herself up to look intimidating. Then, to draw predators away from the nest, she runs away from it and pretends she's wounded or has a broken wing. When the predators approach, she gets up, speeds off like a roadrunner. By the way, when killdeer chicks hatch, they are able to walk and feed themselves almost immediately, with Mom's protection, that is.